one or two more judges, please. The end table.
Whoa. Do you have a scorecard?
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, that's all.
Whoa!
I'll just put it down.
Ready?
So close. Sorry, I'm trying to do a good one.
Right, I'm going to be slower than you just starting this thing.
Yep.
Okay. I'm not able to control I don't know what this means.
Double check, don't touch it. Don't
Okay,
touch
I'm not going to take it.
We'll wait for Donnie. Okay, guys.
I think we should give this to you.
Looks like a plastic. Looks like a plastic.
We'll ask Donnie. I think I'd say it's +2. Last Donnie. I think it's good.
I don't say it's plastic.
I'm not going to be the judge here.
I want that one.
Although I am the judge.
Yeah,
I'm
let's
not gonna
just
be
have
the
it again,
judge.
huh? Alright. Watch away for Donnie.
Yeah, someone needs to come and fix it.
Oh, look at this. Yeah, okay, yeah, look at this. And it's quite clear it's a +2. In my opinion, though. Well, that's Donnie. I want that one. It's a good one. Donnie.
Yeah, dude, that's +2, right?
That's right.
Oh,
Wait, no, wait.
Wait, double check.
Wait. It's in, eh? Like a degree in.
I thought it was.
Yeah, it's in.
Oh, yours, your official value.
Yeah, take. I'm looking at that corner to the middle of this one,
yeah.
and I think it's like a degree closer
Yeah,
to the
like that
blue.
one.
Yeah, so that's in.
Which means not a plus.
No,
okay.
it's a 6.08.
Oh, I thought it was the other way around.
Yeah,
That's why.
6.08.
What was it you again?
Steven,
Felix. Felix.